These are the materials needed: tape, any kind, needle, card, screw size T2. Let's start! I got this phone way back December 1, 2017. Current issue is bloated battery. Make sure to remove the SIM card and SD card before you start. Once SIM card tray is safely removed, then now remove the screw at the bottom part of your phone. Now use the card to detach the LCD from its chassis. Once open, look to the bloated part. Now, using needle and masking tape, you can start creating a small hole at the bloated part of the battery. Be careful, make sure to pick only the cover of the battery. Once done, continually press the air of the battery until it's gone.
One, two, three, funk it.